Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the holy grail of clay towels. Get it? Holy? Let me show you this right here. All right, so why do we want to use a clay towel with holes in it? We also have a Holey Clay mitt and a sponge. And so why do we have this? So this is gonna be a little bit less aggressive than your traditional clay bar, depending upon what level of aggression you use. And the great thing about this, and the towel being my favorite, is that it does have these holes in it. And so what happens is, as we're gonna clay bar, the contaminants do not need to be folded back into the clay bar as you're used to. They should be flushed out through the holes when we're using our proper lubricant. So I'm going to tell you now how to break this in, and I'm going to show you it in use. Okay, so one of the first things that we're going to do is we're going to break in our clay towel, and we're going to use proper lubricants. If we're doing a PPF installation, you'll see I typically use Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo in my spray system here, and that's what we use to install PPF, so it's just easy to do it all at the same time. So you may see that. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to break it in. And so what we want to do is agitate our clay, either mitt, bar, or our clay towel, mitt, or sponge. We want to agitate it on glass for 1 to 2 minutes using a clay bar lubricant. Kind of breaks it in. So we're going to spray both down. And then I'm not going to show you the whole process because you don't want to watch me do this for 2 minutes. But we're going to just agitate this on glass for that time period. Okay, so we're all broken in. And so what I'm going to do, this is one of the few panels that I still need to PPF on my own personal car. And so we're going to have to clay bar it before we install the PPF. And this car was really dirty if you remember that video. So we're going to get these contaminants out that are embedded in the paint. And one thing about these towels compared to a more aggressive clay bar is they're less likely to leave surface marring. So if for some reason, you know, you're doing a clay bar but not polishing and you're worried about marring the paint, this is a better option for you. It's nice and smooth, so it's working pretty well. And then you just need to flush it out as needed. We got some water here in a bucket. When you're done, you want to just air dry it. Don't put it in the dryer. I've done that by accident before. Okay, so check out our new Holey series, whether it's the towel, the sponge, or the mitt. Take your personal preference, whatever you think works the best. I think the towel works the best at flushing out those contaminants while you're working, and then just put it in water, rinse it out, and let it air.